Tiger Woods. Golf legend Tiger Woods owns a Gulfstream G550. Or Tiger Woods. All of Tiger Woods' major championship victories, 1125 of 2443, the most influential people of all time, 440 of 1816, the best athletes of all time. Harrison Ford. Star Wars actor Harrison Ford owns several aircrafts, including an Aviat, a 1B Husky, DHC-2 Beaver, Cessna 182, Beechcraft B-36TC Bonanza, Cessna 208B Grand Caravan, 929 Vintage Waco Tapperwing, and a Bell 407 helicopter. Or Harrison Ford. 13 things you didn't know about Harrison Ford. 28 of 264, the best male actors working today. 21, 1017, the best actors in film history. Mark Zuckerberg. SEC filings about Facebook's finances have revealed that CEO Mark Zuckerberg has purchased a private jet. More Mark Zuckerberg weird facts about Mark Zuckerberg. Most people don't know 13 of 50 celebrities you were sick of in 2021. 1167 of 1355, the greatest minds of all time. Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey owns a Global Express XRS jet, which seats about 10 passengers. More Oprah Winfrey. The best Oprah Book Club books, 164 of 269. The most trustworthy celebrities in the world, 499 of 843. The best actresses in film history. Jay-Z. Jay-Z received his Bombardier Challenger 850 as a Father's Day present from his wife Beyonce. Or Jay-Z. Every athlete signed to Jay-Z is Roc Nation Sports, ranked 580 of 1891, the greatest musical artists of all time. 11 of 235, the greatest rappers of all time. Jim Carrey. Dumb and Dumber actor Jim Carrey owns a Gulfstream V. More Jim Carrey. The best Jim Carrey movies, 58 of 264, the best male actors working today. 130 of 1017, the best actors in film history. Tom Cruise. Jack Reacher star Tom Cruise owns a Gulfstream Roman 4 SV. Angelina Jolie.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.